Generic buffering. When one record of the table is accessed, all the records whose generic key fields agree with this record are loaded into the buffer. The generic key is a left justified part of the primary table key. The generic key must be selected so that the generic areas are not too small, which would result in too many generic areas. Full buffering is preferred for the table that has few records for each generic area. If you choose a large generic key, too much data will be invalidated if there are changes to table entries, which would have a negative effect on the performance. A table can be generically buffered if only certain generic areas of the table are usually needed for processing. Client-dependent, fully buffered tables are automatically generically buffered. The client field is the generic key. This is based on the assumption that not all of the clients are actually used on one application server. Language-dependent tables are an example of generic buffering. The generic key includes all the key fields up to and including the language field. The generic areas are managed in the buffer as independent objects. The generic areas are managed in the same way as fully buffered tables.